Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QEMU. First, understand what QEMU is and why it's a powerful virtualization tool. QEMU stands for Quick Emulator, and it's a generic, open-source machine emulator and virtualizer. It can run operating systems and programs made for one machine on a different machine, or achieve near-native performance by directly executing guest code on the host CPU. This flexibility makes it invaluable for various computing tasks. To begin, install QEMU on your system. On Linux, you can typically use commands like sudo apt install QEMU system or sudo dnf install QEMU kvm. For Windows or Mac OS, download the official installers from the QEMU website. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt and type QEMU systemx 8664 version to confirm it's working. Also, ensure your CPU's virtualization features, like Intel VTX or AMD V, are enabled in your BIOS or UEFI settings for optimal performance. Now, let's create and run your first virtual machine. You'll need an ISO file of the operating system you wish to install. First, create a virtual hard disk using QEMU create fqcow2 my VM disk, qcow220G for a 20 GB disk. Then, launch the VM with a command like QEMU systemx 8664 m2g cdrom/path/ to /your/os. ISO HDA my VM disk, qcow2 boot D. This allocates 2 GB of RAM and boots from the ISO to install your operating system. Beyond basic setup, QEMU offers many advanced features. You can configure complex networking, set up shared folders between your host and guest, and even use GPU pass-through for demanding applications. Snapshots are incredibly useful, allowing you to save your VM state and revert to it later, which is perfect for testing. For more great resources, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Experiment with different options to tailor QEMU to your specific needs and enhance your virtualization experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.